Okay, Math 10, your last example with respect to trapezoids and kites. I didn't write it on here, but on your homework, I physically tell you in kite, A, B, C, D. So this is a kite, even though my drawings aren't very good. I tell you that this side BC is 10m minus 5 and DC is 9m minus 3, and I ask you to find m. So the properties that you need to be familiar with is that the consecutive sides are congruent. So AB and AD are congruent, BC and DC are congruent. Remember, congruence is just a fancy way of saying equal. So all you have to do for this problem is take 10m minus 5 and set it equal to 9m plus 3. So if I subtract 9m from both sides, I get m. And if I add 5 to both sides, I get 8. And there's my value of m. M is 8. If I asked you to go one step further and find the length of BC or DC, you could just plug 8 back in. So if you were to plug 8 in, you get 10 times 8 is 80 minus 5 is 75. And the same is true for here. If you plug 8 in, you get 9 times 8 is 72 plus 3 is 75. That's another way to make sure your answer is correct. Make sure the lengths come out to be exactly the same. And that's it. Those are your 4 examples.